Welcome to the SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. In this tutorial I'll show you how to connect your ISTC with your SUNNYHEAT heat panel. Before we start, I'd like to explain what exactly happens if you connect an ISTC with a heat panel. Your SUNNYHEAT ISTC and heat panel communicate always with each other to react as fast as possible by differences in temperature, requirements and your wishes. Similar to a phone call where you need the phone number of the person you wish to call, your heat panel has to know the number of the ISTC too. This number is called ID. Every ISTC has a unique individual ID. Every heat panel knows its ISTC in delivery. So you can simply put the plug into the outlet, switch the power on, and your heat panel and ISTC are communicating. If the communication is interrupted, you can see a little warning triangle in the lower left corner of your ISTC. This can have different reasons. For example, your heat panel is out of current. It doesn't typically mean that you have to connect your SUNNYHEAT heat panel and ISTC again. But if you want your heat panel and your ISTC to communicate with each other, maybe because you want to change your ISTC, you have to do a few steps. Please look at the symbol under the heat indicator of your ISTC. You can see a hand that represents the wish temperature or an eye that stands for the actual temperature. If you can see the hand, please press the second key once. The eye and the actual temperature should be displayed. If so, please press and hold the fourth key until you see the ID master symbol instead of the temperature. Look at the upper right corner. There is a number. That is the ID of your ISTC. Now we have to do a few steps with the SUNNYHEAT heat panel. Please turn your heat panel off and on again. You can do it by plugging the plug out of the outlet or using the power button at the back of your SUNNYHEAT heat panel. The heat panel should be blink at the back. That means it is in the service mode. You can connect the ISTC and your heat panel currently. The service mode remains about 10 seconds. After this time your heat panel is in its normal mode of operation. Then you have to put your heat panel in the service mode again to connect it with the ISTC. Please press the fourth key of your ISTC shortly to call your heat panel with this ID. After pushing the fourth key, you should be back in the main view of your ISTC. That was the whole connection process. Your SUNNYHEAT ISTC and heat panel are now able to communicate with each other and the warning triangle should be gone. Learn more about your ISTC in our additional SUNNYHEAT video tutorials. Thank you for your attention. We hope we could help you and you continue to enjoy your SUNNYHEAT products.